Welcome to This Explainer. Ready to totally master A2 German shopping? Okay, let's dive right in.
Today, we're leveling up your German, starting with two tiny but absolutely crucial words.
So Oder means or for choices, and und means and to just combine things. Easy, right?
Like, Möchtest du Brot oder Reis? Versus, ich kaufe Brot und Reis. See the difference?
The best part? Word order stays completely normal, no weird grammar flips here.
To sound like a local, just drop the repeated subject. Wir gehen zum Markt und kaufen Gemüse.
Let's apply this to Konsumverhalten, basically your shopping habits. It's a big word, but super useful.
Where do you shop? Im Supermarkt? For veggies? Or maybe das Möbelhaus for some furniture?
What about your habits? Do you strictly write an Einkaufszettel or buy things totally spontan?
Do you pay bar or mit Karte? And hey, don't forget those reusable bags.
So, wie kaufst du ein und worauf achtest du? How do you shop and what matters most?
To nail your German response, just follow this simple 4-step speaking plan. It's a game changer.
Ich vergleiche Preise und kaufe gern. Notice how smoothly that uses our conjunctions? Perfect A2 level.
Okay, moving on to writing an Einladung. Your task here is to email a friend.
Keep it structured. Greet them, state your reason, suggest a time, and ask for their opinion. Hey there! So you saw that I've launched a new YouTube channel and I wanted to suggest we do a collab video on one of my shorts. I've thought about using my top 10 smartphone reviews for that. That's my current article, for example. Do you think on Tuesday at 6 p.m. would be a good time to get started?
See this model email? Ich möchte dich zum Einkaufen einladen. It literally covers every single step.
Time for a quick self-check. Would you use und or oder in these daily shopping phrases?
Craving more practice? You can totally master your German skills over at the Falowen Learning Hub.
You've got this, so next time you're in Berlin, will you pay bar or mit Karte?